Whether you want to increase your app's exposure and engagement or attract new users, push messaging is essential for quickly improving user perception and acquiring more active users. However, the messages you send may get lost or be invalid, and even the messages that do get through won't do you any good if they're bland, unattractive, or they're not accurately targeted. If you're worried about these kinds of problems, HUAWEI Push Kit can help you solve them. Push Kit serves as a platform for app developers to send messages in real time, from the cloud to a user's device. It has large channel capacity with maximum throughput of 10 million messages per second. With a reach rate of 99%, Push Kit makes rapid, smooth push messaging a reality. It supports push messaging based on topics, tags, and customized push messaging, so that your messages target the right users. It also supports a variety of forms of messages, such as short text, long text, and big picture, to help you grab users' attention. Real-time message delivery notifications allow you to check on the delivery status of each message. Be aware of the message loss rate and users who have not yet received your messages, so you can customize your marketing strategies accordingly. Push Kit can automatically present messages in the language matching the language settings of each user's device, so that users around the world can enjoy a personalized experience. Push Kit offers fast, stable, precise, and easy-to-use push messaging services in a variety of forms. When you need to reach out to users, HUAWEI Push Kit is the clear choice.